Welcome to Annbank. It's a really freezing day today, guys. I cannot even feel my hands. But let's see what Annbank has got to offer. I can see 1, 2 and 3 locations already. Make sure you watch till the end as you'll get a great tour of the place. Let's get into this.
Just like him, just sub him, it's Yaka Champ 21.
So first off, let's kick things off with this bench connecting communities Annbank, Mossblown and Tarbolton. We saw the exact same one in Mossblown, and you can pause to read this if you'd like. Bit of information. Got a bit of a map here. Looking cool. And there's a picture of James Brown. And there's a statue, which is just right behind us actually. So here we have the wee James Brown Memorial. He was born on 16th of December 1862 to the 21st of March 1939. As you can see down there, looks like it's kind of faded out a little bit. And about him, he was a Scottish Labour politician, educated at Annbank Public School. He was a secretary of the Ayrshire Miners Union. Look at that for a wee memorial, and look at the wee quote there. I have fought a good fight, I have finished my course, I have kept the faith. And I would say that that quote does suggest that he was very respected in his community, and he is still remembered to this day by many of the locals. And you can read this one as well, just pause to read of course. And looking round it, it's, I would say maybe in a, maybe not the best spot to have it. I was thinking maybe they'd have it maybe in the village centre, maybe like next to the park or something. This is actually surrounded by many houses. Here we have the village hall, which is literally 30 seconds away. It's closed today, however it acts like a hub for local events, meetings, exhibitions. Look at this wee outside here, I think it looks pretty nice. It's good that they have it, especially if maybe it's a hot day outside. Maybe instead of staying in, they might want to come out here. And look at this beautiful wall as well. I really do like that myself. Here's a little welcome as well, a wee community garden. I really do like that, trying to be friendly there. And as we walk down, we have the Annbank United Football Club Stadium. There you have it from up here. Looks pretty big. I'm sure this is definitely one of the funnest things to do here. Coming here maybe every week, every 2 weeks when it's a home game, having fun with all the fans, shouting, cheering on your club on. And a fact about them, they actually did unfortunately lose the 1953 Scottish Cup final. And as we can see here, again it's kind of faded out a little bit, but it does happen. And there's a wee welcome. Pebble Park, home of Annbank United Club Football. So guys, not too far away from the football stadium we have the Annbank Bowling Club. Again, having this actually just proves that the people in Annbank are very busy. They've got bowling to watch, they've got football games, and in addition to this you can also get your wee membership here as well. I do find it pretty cool that lots of these villages and towns have a bowling and a football club. I think they're very passionate about it, they enjoy it. A huge part of their village as well, a big history. Are you enjoying today's video so far? Why don't you click that subscribe button as you will follow my adventure around Scotland. Follow the adventure around Scotland. Let's continue with this vlog. Right guys, we are pretty much at the edge of the village. And I can say without hesitation, no doubt this will be one of the best parts of living in the village for most people at least, is the pub that they have, the Tap or the Bray, which that is the name for it. Many people will come here for maybe a wee party, especially after the football game or maybe the bowling game. They might want a wee party, birthday parties possibly as well. And would you look at that for a park? Look how big that is, that's ginormous. Wow, that's amazing. So we've got this swing, baby and normal swings, 2 benches for people who want to sit down, another swing there, a trim trail, a wee slide here. This is awesome, wow. That's that. As we go on, climbing frame. How are we going to access this? Oh, unfortunately this one's closed. Just a basketball court, as you can see. It's going to be something very new, updated, perhaps a better version than this. I'm quite excited to see it. Unfortunately I probably won't. However, I might see an image on Google or whatsoever. That actually sounds quite exciting, and I think all the local people will be excited too. And another good thing about it is it's actually right next to a bunch of houses just down the road, which is actually pretty good. Pretty much just like a 30-second walk from here. So if you want to go to a park, like if it's an after school thing, you're just back from home, just come here. It's very, very easy. Or whatsoever, take your dog out for the walk, whatever you like to do. In Annbank, of course, we have got a Premier store, of course, and that is absolute no surprise. There are so many of them in Scotland, especially small towns and villages. Right behind me, guys, we have got the Annbank fishery. As you can see, that looks quite big, to be fair, and I think this would be absolutely perfect for fishers, people who are passionate about fishing, to maybe come here. It did take about a 15-minute walk from the park. According to Google reviews, lots of people said it was a very great time when they came here, and it's great for the kids as well. When I first went fishing, it did not go too great. As you can see, one more time, that's how it is. My thoughts on Annbank: I think it's a great place to stay in, why not? Very peaceful. I think the park is incredibly massive considering it's just a small village. And if you do want to see the video where I did go fishing for the first time, why don't you click there and I'll see you in that video.